Hi, this is Lane Bell with Bell Camper Sales. Today I'd like to show you this 2020 Durango 348 BHF fifth wheel. Now this is a 360-degree video, so as I walk around and show you things, you can move the camera angle around to follow me. Once again, this is a bunkhouse fifth wheel. It weighs 12,190 pounds, so you would need a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck to be able to tow this. As you can see, it has this nice island here, a very deep stainless steel sink. No, you can't see it from there, but there's lots of cabinets and storage and everything on this side. As you look behind me, you've got a very nice stainless steel range top with countertop space, convection microwave. Over here, you've got a very large pantry space for all of your kitchen appliances and whatnot. You do have a 4-door Norcold refrigerator, as well as a countertop space over here with plenty of storage. Over in this area, on this slide out, which this part of the kitchen slides out, as well as this part of the kitchen slides out. You've got a freestanding table and chair. This does have a leaf and comes with some extra chairs, so you could seat more than 4 people if you wanted to. As well as over here, you've got a couch with an ottoman that has extra space in it. This will also fold out and make a bed. Does come with TV, fireplace, sound system. After this, let's go take a look in the bunk room. I'll show you that. Here we are in the bunk room of the 348 BH. As you can see, it has opposing slide outs in here as well, which creates a lot of space in this back room. You can see you've got a bunk bed up here, and you've also got a bunk bed that folds down here. Over here on this side, this couch makes into a bed. Right now, you know, you could sit here, watch TV. This TV here comes out and swings, providing a good watching angle from wherever you're sitting. Once again, this couch makes down into a bed, and then this bunk also folds down. You've got a bunk up here as well. If you'll notice over here, you know, we've got lots of cabinet space, store clothes and whatnot. Also, a great feature about this back bunk room is you've got a little half bath back here. So whoever is staying in the bunk room doesn't have to go all the way up front by the master bath to use the restroom. So the toilet, sink, all that kind of stuff in here. So after this, let's go take a look at the master bath. Here we are in the master bath of the 348 BH. As you can see, it's got a very large shower surround with sliding glass door. You've got some space for towels, towel rack, got your sink and toilet. After this, let's go take a look at the master bathroom. Here we are in the master bedroom of the 348 BHF. As you can see, you've got a very large front closet. This does come pre-prepped for washer and dryer, should you need that. You've also got lots of storage space up here. Bedroom does come with a TV. You'll also notice above the bed you've got a cell phone charging station, which is quite convenient. Something else worth mentioning on this trailer is it does come with a solar package, so it comes with the solar panels on top, which means you could go dry camping if you wanted to. A few other things, the Durango fifth wheels do come with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. That is on all components inside the unit, not just the structure. As well as full-time camping does not void your warranty. A lot of other manufacturers don't offer that, and is something that might be of consideration. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. My name is Lane Bell. Come see us here at Bell Camper Sales, where you can get one bell of a deal.